So welcome to our channel. Wow, what is inside of these?
So there's no new games out, so we got this is from Sideshow Collectibles, the Rancor Deluxe statue for Star Wars. Apparently it comes in 2 boxes, box 1 of 2 and 2 of 2, in addition of 600. So I'm gonna set one box down while we open the other one.
Oh, Spurt, look out!
Here, we'll just open this one first. So these are almost 1/6 scale statues from the Rancor for Jabba's Palace from Star Wars.
Jabba's Palace?
Yeah, we have a Jabba's Palace.
Hey, that's not fair! Oh, what was that? Yeah, I was just
Here we
doing
go.
those hands.
Here's, what is this one box?
Where those hands were coming from? That's me.
It says this is box 2 of 2, so... Well, it's a box inside of a box.
What? Oh, it's a box inside a box? What? And then another box inside a box. And there! And then there! And then there! And then there! And then there!
Alright, Brad, come on, sit down, bud.
Excuse me, the viewers can't see me.
You gotta get around.
Like this. Can they see me now? Hi, viewers! Ow! 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 You stupid hands!
There we go. Okay, here's this box inside that box.
Quit hands! Stop.
Let's see what this one is.
Alright. I'll stay here.
Well, this one's just some styrofoam.
Wow, I wonder what this is going to be. I hope it will be exciting.
Ugh.
Won't be that exciting.
Let me see if we can dump out the styrofoam.
Okay, I take that back. This is going to be very exciting. Woohoo! Whoa! I'm going on that! I'm going! Please, the next one, don't spoil it. I want to find
Okay,
out for
so-
myself.
Let's see here.
Alright.
Got a quality check path.
Please, for the next box, don't give it away. Don't spoil what's inside.
Okay.
They want to find out for themselves.
You have to find out for yourself.
Maybe you can tell it when you open it up. After you open up the statue, whatever's inside of the boxes. Yeah, maybe this it will. Let me tell of the statue of Liberty. Just kidding.
Whoa, okay. There's the inside of that first styrofoam package. You got, I don't know, looks like one piece here of the Rancor. You gotta be careful with this one, it's breakable.
Oh, it is. We will be careful with your Rancor. Now we're king of Star Wars.
Oh, this looks like a tail plate, like the back tail plate.
This monster has a tail.
Oh yeah.
No, probably like a. Probably based from a T-Rex. T-Rex are monsters that have tails and they eat meat.
Ah, here's a second piece. Let's see what this one is. Oh, this one looks like his legs.
Whoa. And
Oh,
half of his tail.
and half of, yeah, the short little tail and the standing spot.
Perfect.
So I'm going to set this down here.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you.
No, hold on, Brett. Don't stop playing with that. We'll need that to put all these pieces back in.
What?
keep the boxes to put the pieces back in case you ever want to move it again. You can put it back in there.
Put it back in? Why would you want to put it back in?
Oh, this looks like the head piece.
Or is it the hay piece?
It's fairly light. Doesn't have a whole lot of weight to it. Whoa, wow.
That's the whole tire left of it.
Oh, wow. Look at that, Coraline.
Wow. It's not
Oh,
based from the... No. It's not based from the extinct animals T-Rex.
no, this is the Rancor. Look at that. That's pretty awesome.
It's probably
That's
based...
the head and chest piece. It's got
I got
one of his arms, shoulders, and he's even wearing his earring there.
I got it.
It is hollow, so it looks like helps alleviate some of the weight. Okay, I'll put this back in. That was all the pieces in there. I'm going to put the styrofoam back onto it, and then we'll put this back in the box we got it out of.
Hey, I get it. Okay, I get it now.
You get it now?
Yep, it's based from a spider posing as a T-Rex.
Ugh.
Right, can you use this one?
Oh no, hold on, buddy. We gotta get this other box open.
And please do not spoil it. I will take it this time. This came. Oh no, there's only one more scoop of invisible ice cream. Now this came, it's pretend.
Okay. Looks like another box inside of a box.
Inside of a box. Come on, why not just put the real thing inside the first box?
Can you lift that other side, Coraline? Lift it up.
I'm going to lift this side.
Lift that one up, buddy. There we go. Thank you.
Oh, yay. Wow, why do they just put boxes inside of boxes? It's so boring. Yeah.
So this would have been the top. Let me get this top open. I'm guessing we're gonna have another piece of styrofoam. And we do! With the big Sideshow. Oh, okay, assembly instructions in the Rancor piece here.
Oh, yeah.
Got assembly instructions. This looks fairly straightforward. I don't know if I'll need that. Alright, one more piece.
Hey, nerd! Hey, what? Can you give me ice cream? Ah. Right there, I'm going to jump with my right.
Okay. Put that box back inside of this box. And looks like we just need some last styrofoam cuts here. We're missing the arms and I think the base.
Yeah.
I'm guessing that's what's in here.
Maybe. Oh.
Whoa!
And please do not.
Oh wow, that must be the base. Again, surprisingly lightweight.
Help me! Oh my God! There's me. Where's the base? We're quite split. Oh, it?
Oh, look at that bottom. Oh wow! So the bottom is painted Rancor. It looks like it's a limited edition out of 600, and we got number 4. 004 out of 600. That's a pretty low number right there.
Dun, dun, dun.
That's awesome.
Well, it's top 10.
Yeah, top 10 out of 600. That's pretty good.
We got top 10. Woohoo! We got top 10. Yeah. Ooh, yeah.
There's only 600, so there's not a lot to begin with. We did order this fairly early when they announced it, but because we have a Jabba's Palace 1/6 scale in our theater room with all the characters from Sideshow already, so we needed a Rancor to go with it. This looks like his right hand, right arm. Stop! Don't ruin that.
Okay.
Look at that. Coraline, what do you think of this hand? Would you like to shake my hand? Look at you, he's got some long fingernails. It's almost as big as Daddy's hand. Look at that.
No, it is that big. Ha!
I got longer pinky. He's got longer index fingers. Again, this has got screw locks in here, so I'll have to look on that, how to put that together. And this would be the last piece. It should be his left hand, left arm.
Yeah, maybe we should have our viewers figure it out on their own. Okay, just kidding. Just kidding. You don't have to do all that here.
Again, would I shake my hand, Brett? Isn't that pretty lightweight? It's not very heavy. Try lifting it. You gotta be very careful with it. Cut it.
I don't want to.
Okay. Yeah, it's not very heavy. It's pretty lightweight.
Yeah, for a big hand like that.
Yeah.
Oh, this is
Put
easy.
that down there.
Hey, careful with that.
Put this back.
Sorry.
Put this back on there. And we'll put this back in the box, and then we'll try to assemble.
Assemble? Why would we want to assemble it?
We'll put this back in this box.
Ah! Now you can see us better.
Yeah.
Yeah, boring! I'm out!
Okay, I'll set this down. Alright. So now, let's see what pieces we need. According to our assembly instructions, back up, Brett. We need, here we go.
Those are big instructions.
Yeah, they are big instructions.
Are you sure this is simple?
Oh, it can't be that hard for me. It's just one page.
Are you sure you haven't even gotten it out yet?
Alright. Woo! So it says,
Should you be mention it?
tighten until using the place torso 3A1. Put legs in keyhole. So let's get the base.
Talking about.
Here we go. We gotta get the base set up first.
1.5.6 keyhole. This is
And then we put the legs in the keyhole, it says.
keyhole. Keyhole.
Like that.
Keycon. 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 Keycon.
It's called a keyhole.
Keycon.
It's fighting you a little bit. There we go.
Dun, dun, dun.
Okay. I'm pretty sure you can move the legs. It looks like the legs are supposed to go up front there. Number 2, place legs using both hands. Warning, do not grab tail. Okay, we didn't do that. Let's see. 3, place torso onto legs using both hands.
Warning, do not grab tail.
So this one has a bolt with a washer.
A washer. Wow. Can I wash up all Mom's laundry?
Not that kind of washer. So there's a little hole inside, and you can reach inside to get it in there. So I'm assuming we put this bolt through this hole.
Oh, it's already. You can.
And then we tighten it through the back here. go. That looks good. And then it looks like we're supposed to do the same thing with each of the arms. Each of the arms also has a bolt with a screw and a washer. And there's holes where it goes in and you can reach into the back.
Do you use washers for building stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, yes,
The washers are, see, this is the nut is the screw-on part right here. The washer is this flat piece right here. This is what they call a washer.
Is it what they use to build washers?
Perhaps we should spin this guy around so they can see what we're doing.
Oh. Yeah, no, it's looking at me again.
So, left hand here, so line it up
Number
with that hole.
a Y. What? Now it's looking right at you.
And then we put this washer on there.
At the wall.
And then we screw in this hand. Hold on.
There are a lot of rocks and bones here.
Now, it's the bottom where he lives in a Rancor pit.
Rancor pits?
Yep.
Yeah, the bones are from...
Remember when people in Jabba's palace, when you get mad with him, you drop him down the trap door?
What?
They would fight this guy in the bottom.
Looks like nobody survived.
No, nobody did survive.
And then Solo, he gone. No, he didn't. No, he didn't.
Luke got him.
He
Close though.
He didn't survive either.
Okay, and there's another hole right here where the right arm goes in. So we're gonna put this one in. And it looks like you cover up this back with that tail guard piece after we get these arms in. This is actually feeling really secure. These arms won't go off anywhere because of these bolts are high quality and it doesn't actually weigh a whole lot, so I think it's, if anything, maybe a little overbuilt.
The bones are from the people that have been trying to kill him.
Or his food. Just like you guys eat hamburgers, he eats Gamorrean burgers.
Gamorrean burgers.
Gamorrean burgers.
Oh, yeah, so he eats it.
Yeah, I'm a Gamorrean. I love the Gamorrean. So there we go. We got both arms in. And I just tightened them with my hands. It really feels solid. I don't think we need any additional tightening at this point. I don't see the need. And the second part, the last part looks to be this tail piece, which has a little peg. Looks like you just line in with the peg up here. Peg. And a little bit magnetized. It looks like pulled it on there. That covers up that hole in the back. And then we spin him around, and here he is completed.
Whoa!
Let's see it. Whoa, that is a big Rancor. What do you guys think? How big is he compared to you? Just for sizing's sake, I think we'll grab a couple of our Sideshow 1/6 scale Gamorrean guards here. And yes, he is that big.
That's how big he is. Wow.
Let's see, if we stack our Gamorrean guards, he's a little over 2.5. Let's see. He's pretty tall. And looks like you could easily fit a Gamorrean in his mouth. You can definitely fit one in his hand, if had be. He's got huge hands. So come on. Come on, guys.
Okay. Come on over here.
So what do you guys say?
Bye. Thanks for watching our show. Yeah, and make sure you watch our other shows after this.
We'll might show him how big he is in size in relation to the other 1/6 after this. Thanks, guys.
He's even taller to me.
Yeah.